Get out of the weeds.
Get out of the weeds.
Get out of the weeds. No. Up he comes. That's a nice little rock bass. Good start. Little lively legs nymph action.
Regardless of how big, they all have fat fucking bellies.
Yeah, like the fish here are definitely eating. They're not going hungry. Yeah, this is like a super healthy stretch. Like there is a lot of food chain diversity. And that's like really the key to big healthy fish, is having that food chain diversity and abundance. Oh man. There we go. Got him that time. Ooh, that's a nice looking rock bass. A little bit bigger than the first one. He was laying right under that log. Right off the edge of that rock. You have seen it here first, ladies and gentlemen. I caught a minnow. That is ridiculous. That's hilarious.
What did he bite on?
The little dropper nymph. It's a tiny, tiny thing. Like I want to say I tied this on, it's either an 18 or a 20, maybe a 22. I'm catching minnows. You're over here just slaying rock bass.
Well, this is my spot.
Yeah. Little sunfish.